everybody. It feels like a very quiet morning, even with the futures down about 5 points right now. So, what I want people to understand is we've been saying it the whole time. I don't know if people get it, that it's the summer. We've had some volatility in the summer, more than you might get regularly. But, as a general rule, I'm not seeing a ton of volatility this morning. I'm seeing a down 5 futures. It was down as much as probably about 8 at one point. But it's not, it's stepped up. It actually was, went to down 3. It was looking like we'd probably, go positive into the open. It pulled in a little more, and it's hovering at this roughly 4.5, 5 mark on the futures. Now, futures down 7 or 8 for me is a buy. Absolute. I'd be buying that market. I'd be taking that first move up, looking for the run up. Futures down 4.5. You're going to have to take it a little lighter. Here's what I envision the market doing, just so we all are on one page. The market is going to move up initially. It's going to take a leg up, and before that 10 o'clock number, it's going to take a leg down. The most probable of numbers, if we work from a number situation, is the market's going to go positive. It'll break the 9,500 mark. It'll probably go to up towards, let's see where we pulled it out, about 9,530 max. So there's basically, maybe 40 points on the upside that the market has potentially. If it does take this move up, and we're not that weak now. Remember, if we're down 7, we're not going to have a 100-point move up. But if we're down 3 or 4, it's possible we're going to get a move up, anywhere from 20 to 40 points positive. So we get maybe a 50-point, move up. Then the market's probably going to pull it a little towards the 9,500 mark, which is about flat going into the number. So the number should have us between 9,500 and 9,540. If the number is bullish, right, and I'm expecting it to be bullish, not because I'm looking at the economics of it. I'm only expecting it to be bullish. Maybe it's wishful thinking. I don't know. I just expect that we've been beating a lot of our numbers because the expectations have been low. So if the number is bullish, I expect the market to spike. One large spike. The move can go as high up as 70. Put us up 75 points on the Dow, or as high up as 75 points on the Dow. And then the market will sell off from that. So the best trade has been the trade that we've been talking about, which is sell those spikes. Big move up, sell into it. Now, if the numbers are bad and the market starts moving down, 94.50 is the point of resistance. That is of support. That is where the market has been unable to break really below. If the market takes, this will be, I think, the 4th shot at it. If the market takes a 4th shot at it and it goes through that, there is a lot of room on the downside, significant room on the downside. So, like I was saying, if the market is looking stronger, we're going to take. I expect that first move up going into that first move up going into the number. If the number is strong, short the spike. If the number is weak, look at that 94.50 mark. See if the market's going to defend 94.50. If the market doesn't defend 94.50 and it breaks through 94.50, then you've got room on the downside to go. And this is going to be a down move the entire day. Eve?
Da 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 da